The symptoms of vitamin C deficiency you shouldn't ignore. The term vitamin C is often referred to as ascorbic acid, a water-soluble vitamin that is important for maintaining the health of the skin, mouth, teeth, and gums. Vitamin C also helps in boosting your immune system. The human body cannot produce its own vitamin C, so it has to be obtained through food or supplements. It is a cofactor in many metabolic reactions and participates in the synthesis of collagen, carnitine, and neurotransmitters. The recommended daily intake of vitamin C for adults ranges between 75 to 90 milligrams per day, which can be obtained through dietary sources such as fruits and vegetables. There are many reasons people may not get enough vitamin C in their diets. Some people have health problems or take medications that prevent them from absorbing vitamin C correctly or at all. Others may have trouble consuming enough fruits and vegetables because of their busy schedules or other factors, such as cost or availability of fresh produce near their homes. In this video, we will discuss the most common signs of vitamin C deficiency. But before we begin, let me remind you that this video is intended solely for educational and informational purposes only, and you should always consult with your doctor before changing your diet or taking any new food or supplements. With that out of the way, let's get started. Number 1. Dry skin. Vitamin C deficiency is a common cause of dry skin. The vitamin helps maintain healthy skin by promoting collagen production and preventing moisture loss. Collagen is an essential protein in the skin which maintains elasticity and keeps skin healthy. However, when your vitamin C levels are too low, your body can't make enough collagen. This leads to dry skin and an itchy scalp. Studies have shown a correlation between a high intake of vitamin C and better skin quality, while lower intakes lead to an increased risk of dry skin that's wrinkled. Number 2. Easy bruising. Bruising is one of the most common problems people with low vitamin C levels face. Vitamin C helps keep the blood vessels under the skin firm, which prevents them from tearing and causing bleeding or bruises. If you have noticed bruising on your body, it may signify vitamin C deficiency. If your vitamin C is low, the body cannot produce enough of the protein called tissue factor. When the body cannot make this protein, it does not form blood clots properly, and they can leak out of blood vessels. This leakage causes the skin to bruise easily. Number 3. Painful, swollen joints. Joints are made up of lots of collagen-rich connective tissue, so they can also be affected by vitamin C deficiency. There are consistent reports of individuals experiencing joint pain due to vitamin C deficiency, often severe enough to cause limping or difficulty walking. Many people suffer from joint pain due to other factors, but vitamin C deficiency can also lead to inflammation and additional joint bleeding. These symptoms can be effectively treated with vitamin C supplements and should typically disappear within a week. Number 4. Bright red hair follicles. Many tiny blood vessels are located just underneath your skin surface, which supplies blood and nutrients to the hair follicles. If the body does not have enough vitamin C, these small vessels break quickly, causing bright red spots to form around hair follicles. This is referred to as a parafollicular hemorrhage, and it's a well-known sign that you're severely deficient in vitamin C. Studies show that vitamin C supplements can resolve this symptom within 2 weeks. Number 5. Slowly healing wounds. One of the more advanced signs of vitamin C deficiency is slow wound healing, most often experienced by someone deficient for many months. Vitamin C deficiency slows the rate of collagen formation. As a result, wounds heal more slowly. According to research, people with non-healing leg ulcers are likely to be deficient in vitamin C. This is another crucial factor that will help you better manage your condition. When vitamin C deficiency becomes severe enough, the risk of having an old wound reopen and become infected increases. If you are getting value from this video so far, give it a thumb up and consider subscribing to our channel to receive future videos with more helpful advice and tips. Number 6. Weak bones. Vitamin C deficiency can negatively affect bone health. Studies show that an inadequate intake of vitamin C can increase the risk of fracture and osteoporosis. One study has found that vitamin C is necessary for bone formation, and a deficiency can increase your risk of losing bone. Children's skeletons may be most vulnerable to vitamin C deficiency, as their growth and development are still ongoing. Number 7. Poor immunity. A primary function of vitamin C is to accumulate within certain types of immune cells to help them defend against illness. They do this by serving as an antioxidant and combating infection. Vitamin C deficiency makes you more susceptible to illness. You could be vulnerable to life-threatening diseases like pneumonia. In some cases, people with scurvy will eventually succumb to the infection and die because their immune systems become too weak. Number 8. Bleeding gums and tooth loss. Another sign of a vitamin C deficiency is red, swollen, and bleeding gum. The gum tissue becomes weaker and irritated without enough vitamin C, and blood vessels bleed more easily. Gums may become purple and rot in the later stages of vitamin C insufficiency. Teeth might eventually fall out due to diseased gums and weakened dentin, the calcified inner layer of teeth. Number 9. Iron deficiency and anemia. Iron deficiency anemia occurs when a person does not have enough red blood cells to carry oxygen throughout the body. Vitamin C is also essential for absorbing iron from food and supplements. Vitamin C deficiency can increase one's risk of excessive bleeding, which in turn may lead to anemia. If you have been experiencing chronic anemia for a long time, it may be wise to check your vitamin C levels. Number 10. Constant tiredness. Being deficient in vitamin C can cause you to feel tired. This can lead your immune system and red blood cells levels to decrease, making it difficult for the body to fight off infections. You may also experience mood swings or irritability due to a vitamin C deficiency. Number 11. Weight gain. Vitamin C may help fight obesity by regulating the release of fat from fat cells, reducing stress hormones, and inhibiting inflammation. Research suggests a link between not enough vitamin C and an increase in fat, but it isn't clear whether there is a cause and effect relationship. An exciting but worrying fact is that even in people who do not have a high weight, there's been a link between lower blood levels of vitamin C and higher amounts of belly fat. While a high body fat percentage is not necessarily a clear indicator of a vitamin C deficiency, it is worth investigating once all other reasons have been checked out. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you would like us to produce more like it, please subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell to get any future videos with more health-related tips and information.